Hey, how's everyone doing? Everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So we know Honda's been doing a lot of changes recently. And a lot of times we hear they're cutting models, just simplifying their lineup, kind of going with every manufacturer doing the same thing. They're just cutting models out, just making it a lot more streamlined. But Honda is doing something different all of a sudden. They just announced they're bringing a model back that's been out of production for many years. That's something that I think you guys will really like. It was really popular for the short time it was here. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what they're bringing back now. Like I said, most manufacturers are cutting models out. Honda's no exception. But they just announced a couple weeks ago that they're bringing back a vehicle that's been out of production for some time now, and it only had one generation. It ran from 2003 to 2011 and never changed. It was the one gen, never did any remodels on it. It was just that one vehicle. And it did pretty well because it was a unique vehicle. What am I talking about? If you guys remember the Honda Element, here's some pictures of it. Very boxy vehicle, but what made it unique is the configuration you can do with it. You could see how the doors opened up differently. You can make it just kind of like a pickup bed where you could haul a ton of stuff, cargo, whatever you need. It really made it something that you could do whatever in, and it was not a huge vehicle by any means, but it did well, and they sold quite a bit of them just because it was more versatile than anything they offered as far as like utility. Like you could haul some lumber in it, some wet items in there, and it was easier to clean. You could just fold the chairs up like that. I mean, you really had a lot of space for the size of vehicle that it was. Well, Honda just announced that it's coming back. It actually is. And they're going to start producing this in 2029. There's not a ton of information out right now about it, but Honda did say they're hoping to do 100,000 units the first year of production is their goal. Like I said, normally they're just cutting models, and here they're bringing something back. So it will be interesting to see if Honda still does the backwards opening doors, because that was a unique thing with them. So you could put a lot more stuff in it because it just made a huge opening, but nobody knows. But that would be something that's very unique to the Element that you expect them to bring back. But like I said, this is just so early. There's no like models out there right now with what it's going to look like. But I thought I'd share the information with you guys. Like I said, we've been looking for new things, and this might be a good one. What we do know about it is it's going to be a hybrid. So it's not going to be a full EV. It will be a hybrid. So look for it to be kind of similar to what they're doing with maybe the CRV, the HRV right now, and probably utilizing the same powertrain, which seems to work okay in their current models now. So I don't see why this would be any different, especially, like I said, the Honda Element's always been a smaller vehicle. So if that's something you guys remember, I do see some of them still on the road, and they are unique. And like I said, it's not so much the look, because a lot of their vehicles are going to that boxy look now. If you look at the Pilot and the Passport, they're kind of going to that squared design. But if you remember it, like I said, nothing kind of rivaled that Honda or Acura made as far as the utility. If you're something really outdoors person, likes to haul a lot of stuff, being able to clean up easy, that would be the vehicle to get, because it was just so much different than all the other things they offered. So, like I said, it might be something that's doing more of. Honda might be bringing back other models that they've discontinued. Who really knows at this point? But it's kind of nice to see an old face coming back in the lineup in a few years from now. And it'll definitely be tech heavy compared to the outgoing model too. So something interesting to see. Just want to bring that to your guys' attention. If you're in the market, like I said, in the next couple of years for a Honda Acura product, here's something new coming. It might perk your interest. Like I said, probably next year you'll start seeing some renderings of what it's going to look like. So again, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.